So hello guys, this is going to be the fourth tutorial where I will be talking about if the user has signed in, the home screen should appear, right? Not that it should stay on the sign in. So I will just go and in home screen I will take a scaffold to give it a color, uh, maybe a container, just so we know that okay, color maybe pink for now, because once we go in sign in we need the this screen to appear. So I can give it a title, could be welcome, and elevation could be 0, and the app bar can be background color blue. Perfect. So we will leave this here, and right now what I will do is I will go to our wrapper and see. Here we will using the provider, we will find out the state of authentication. So final user provider of user, because user is the model, context. So I will import the user. Okay, so if user is null, then return authenticate, like authenticate, remember where we have created sign in or sign up toggles, else return home. So I will delete this here and I will, yeah. And lastly, for the main activity, we will go in here and we will wrap wrapper, but this is not work because right now we are listening. If I will run this, you should be seeing an error because we are using stream. We are using stream to check on the state of the authentication, whether user has signed in, then take us to home activity. So that is why we need to return a stream here. We need to return work with stream here. So what I will do here is I will wrap this into a widget, stream provider. From where is the stream? According to the user is, if user has a user ID, and dot value stream provider. I will import it first, I think. Value, I have to import it. Yeah, import. So then the error will go away. Yeah, and it is asking us to add the value. Where are we adding the value of the stream from? Auth service dot user. Now I will tell you how did this happen, because we had created a stream method there in auth service class. If we go back to our service, you will see here that this is the stream that we have created, right? So this is what we are importing, and this is auth service. Yeah, great. And lastly, this will be imported because in the model we have taken the user ID, and I think this should be working now if I press Ctrl S. Okay, we are directly taken to our home screen because the user has already signed signed in. So what I will do here is like maybe I should do it in the next one, but maybe let's just do it here. Is that create an action where it helps us to log out. So I will take this widget and we have to take a flat button icons person, and what should happen on pressed, what should it do? It should sign out or log out. So what I will do here is I will create auth service auth, create an instance. So this is going to be an asynchronous operation too. So what I'll do here is await auth sign out, and we can also print this signed out. So I will save this now, and we should be seeing a okay. There is some error here. What it could be? Um, label is not. Oh yeah, we need the label also for this. I thought it was something big. Log out, but no, it is a minor error. Okay, yeah. So here we are. Log out, and now I can test it again. Samuel@gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now it will not remain here. It will take us to see the home screen. So that's it for this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.